Crypto isn't just a buzzword anymore, it's shaping how we pay, save, and build wealth in 2025. I know jumping in can feel intimidating, but let's break it down together step by step. First, why does crypto matter today? Simple. It's fast, borderless, and puts you in control of your money. From sending cash to friends across the world to exploring new digital opportunities, crypto is making finance more accessible for everyone. Ready to start? Here are my 3 simple steps. Step 1. Choose your wallet. Think of this like a digital purse or wallet for your crypto. You can go with an app on your phone, super convenient, or a hardware wallet for more security. Make sure it's well reviewed and fits your style. Step 2. Verify your identity. Most exchanges need you to do this. It's normal, just upload an ID or snap a selfie. This keeps things safe and legit for everyone. Step 3. Make your first purchase. Start with a small amount. You don't need to go big. Pick a well-known coin like Bitcoin or Ethereum and follow the steps in your app. But before you dive in, here are my top safety tips. Always research any coin or project before investing. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Never share your wallet's private keys or recovery phrases. And double-check websites and emails. Scammers are everywhere. Crypto's a journey, not a race. Take your time, keep learning, and stay curious. With the right mindset and a little caution, you can explore the world of crypto and take control of your financial future. So go ahead, start smart, stay safe, and see where crypto can take you.